So starting with the Lasersaur, which is our open source laser cutter, we're launching a long-term design marathon for working with personal fabrication to move it into the mainstream. We want to build like an open source, low-cost, high-performance toolkit for artists. And so the Lasersaur is basically one of those tools, and we believe really strongly in the idea that you make your tools so that you can build them and sustain them yourself, rather than having dependency upon vendors or these mystical machines that nobody can really fix, and if they break, you basically either have to buy a new one in this kind of consumeristic economic model. And we're really interested in this new sustainable model of the maker movement.
This is a class of robotic machines that tremendously enable makers and artists. They are the same class of machines as 3D printers and CNC mills, and they kind of have this function of filling the gap between having an idea and moving to industrial production. The way we understand it is that industrial production is really moving to a new collaboration model, similar as broadcast media is moving to a new collaboration model, meaning that there aren't those zones where people go to produce things, but it's more integrated in society. So the knowledge is more local, and people more locally can produce things that are not just like handmade things, but that are sort of on par with industrial produced objects.
The goal with the Lasersaur and the personal fabrication movement, which it's a part of, is that we're really looking at seeing how people design and change design and manufacture their own everyday objects. I mean, the question is really, what if everything that you want you can actually make and produce yourself versus being dependent on other people for those tools?
As the people around you start using personal fabrication, they gain knowledge, and with that knowledge, sort of the innovation happens within society. We're pretty excited about this idea that the innovation happens much more locally around you, sort of embedded in society, as opposed to you go to a company, be it cubicle, and then you start an innovative process.
So the idea with this project was we wanted something that was high performance, easily repeatable, and sourceable worldwide.
But you can actually build this machine yourself, and it's fun. It's like Lego technical steroids.
Hi, I'm Addie Wagenknecht, and this is Stefan Raschenberger.
And we collaborate under the name Nord Labs.